Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to go over Gerry's new engine, fresh back from the machine shop. Did want to give a shout out to the machine shop.
It's Oaks Machine in Logan, Ohio. Did a great job, super nice guys that work down there, very knowledgeable, tons of experience, and we're going to be using them from now on.
Right, yeah, we had great experience. I mean, block looks great. Give you a little preview now. Here's the block back from the machine shop. You can tell it's super clean.
So we did the final assembly on the rotating assembly. We decided to go with Eagle I-beam rods with ARP fasteners. We are using the ARP main studs. It is a 4-bolt block. It runs a Melling high volume oil pump with a Milodon pickup tube for the pump, for the pan. But our pistons, they are Speed Pro cast Hyper U-Tech pistons on a flat top design with a 60 overbore. We'll be running 58 cc chamber heads, so it should give us roughly 11.5 to 1 compression.
I mean, you can tell how clean and nice the cylinder walls are. I mean, pistons are brand new. Look amazing. I mean, everything's super clean, fresh. So we wanted to spend, the most time and kind of the money on this part of the project just because we know how important it is and we want it to last. So we kind of did this first so we can make sure we had this part done, then we can get the rest of the car done as we move along into the future. But tonight we're going to be putting the cam in, front cover, timing chain, getting the oil pan on, kind of showing you how that all goes together, and we'll show you the cam and give you the specs on that and stuff. Alright, this is our cam.
We're running a JEGS. It's a split profile cam. We're running 488 lift intake on a 508 lift exhaust, 292 and a 302 duration respectively. Pretty much everything we've been running has been, JEGS brand because, well, this is a budget build and they wouldn't put their name on it if it wasn't, a quality part. So we felt very comfortable using it.
I mean, most everything we're getting as far as speed parts and stuff is JEGS brand right now. I mean, we'll test it out and see how well it is, but so far everything looks pretty nice. So, like I said, here's the cam, brand new. I mean, looks fresh and clean, ready to go in the engine. Alright, we're going to be putting the cam in now, showing you how to do that.
On a side note, this is just me personally. A lot of people use a moly grease when they're assembling. I like the Lucas assembly because it's more of an oil based and it sticks a lot better than the moly does. Plus it has more of a long-term lubricating, so like if you put an engine together and it's going to sit for a couple of weeks before you do something with it or start it, this has a better retention than the moly does. The moly will actually run out more like oil.
And more lube is always better in all cases. Obviously the fresh block too has got brand new cam bearings, and
those are also King bearings as well.
the short block's going to be pretty stout. This motor's probably only be putting out 400 horsepower or so, but we built the bottom end to handle quite a bit, so we know it'll be a reliable engine that'll last for all that we can put at it for at least the first year. definitely fallen.
The problem is I can't get to it.
Oop. Like a glove.
Well, when I actually
You can
looked
see
to see
where it's
where
going.
it was.
Well, it's in. Cam's in. Almost.
Yep.
Putting the timing chain on, lining it up now. Just gonna set it at 0 degree.
Yeah, we're not gonna, it's just gonna set straight up, 0 degrees. We don't really need the power to come in sooner or even later. We can always, I mean, it's something we can always change later.
Have a big socket. Going on?
Yeah.
Like the chains on it all the way.
Well, I know the timing marks aren't lined up anyway.
Alright everyone, well we got the timing chain lined up now and on. I'm going to go ahead and show you what else we're going to finish putting on for this video. Well, and what else we're going to be putting on is our new timing pointer. Got a new cam button and then cam locking plate. And then our new timing cover that we're going to be putting on. And also to finish up, we're going to get our new oil pan, 7-quart deep sump with the oil return flap, which should be nice, should give us enough oil, plenty of oil and covers for the strip. Alright, well that's everything we have left now to complete the short block. So we'll go ahead and kick it over to time lapse where you guys can see us install it and everything, and then we'll go from there. Alright everyone, well, we got the short block assembled, front covers on now, oil pans on, so we're looking like we're making pretty good progress here. I want to show you guys real quick some of the head port work we're doing. Still needs more to go, but you can definitely tell the difference. These are 58cc Corvette heads.
L98s.
What is it?
The L98.
L98 Corvette head.
They are not the 202 valves. They are 194s, but for what we're doing and what the next step of the project is, it's not going to matter.
Right, exactly. And we wanted to wait on the gaskets to finish up the port work, just to match gaskets and everything. But just want to show you a quick preview of the heads, what we're using. I mean, they're pretty nice stalkers. I mean, definitely econo style, but they're definitely going to be worth it. Alright everyone, well that does it for this week's video. We kind of went over Gerry's short block build, a little bit of the head work that we're going to be doing. Also, continue watching the channel. We're going to go over, next week we'll go over Gerry's build a little bit more, putting in the roll cage, some of the rear end work we're going to be doing. So don't forget, click that subscribe button.
Don't forget to push all those buttons.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.